Cyclotron Road is serving the purpose of bringing new discoveries from universities and national labs and turning them into actual products, moving these advancements from the lab scale into something that's truly commercializable.
It's not quite an incubator because they're focused more on our personal development than the technology or the company.
It's like being able to be shoulder to shoulder with other people that are doing the same things, that are trying to learn the same things, that are facing similar challenges.
It really is the closest thing to a family outside of my immediate family that I have.
There are other places that you can go to get money, other places that you can go to find space. What sets Cyclotron Road apart, in my mind, is its focus on the people and the individual goals that we have as founders and as unique companies.
I couldn't imagine starting this company outside of Cyclotron Road.
It became sort of the launching pad for me, asserting myself and deciding that this is actually what I want to do with my life.
My biggest piece of advice is to find something that you're really excited and passionate about, and Cyclotron will be equally excited to help you build that.